This presentation develops a project for IEDC-Bled School of Management that we believe will allow for deep and meaningful contribution to creating a sustainable and prosperous world. We think there are two ways to develop a successful business school. The first one is to fill the gap between the state of affairs and business education, or, in other words, to solve existing problems. The second way is to make innovations that will create value. We will consider both ways step by step. We think there are three main problems that challenge the role of modern business education. They are government inefficiency, graduates' inability to adapt, selfish graduates. Let's start with government inefficiency. Business schools accumulated a tremendous amount of knowledge that must be extensively used in the public sector. This will help to speed up social development. At this point of time, business schools' experience is not appropriately applied to other areas. To address this issue, we offer IEDC to introduce special programs for government officials. This will bring business knowledge to government and increase its efficiency. Low flexibility of graduates is another problem nowadays, since on average about 2/3 of business students come from wealthy countries or families. Graduates sometimes do not know how to do business in poor or developing countries. To boost flexibility of students, we offer IEDC to expose people to a completely unusual environment. The best way for this is to ask students to complete a business project in a poor country. This must be part of the program of study. Business schools are usually blamed for breeding selfish students extremely looking for personal benefit. Such students will never go work in the non-profit sector and make positive impact on social sphere. In order to create more socially loyal graduates, we highly recommend IEDC to cover tuition of students settled down for a career in non-profit sector. The tuition difference can be compensated by graduates employed in business. The second way to add value to IEDC is to introduce innovation. To enhance personality of the graduates, we offer to expose them to unique experience. That can be done through putting students to something never experienced before, to stretch them beyond their ordinary abilities. The options may include conquering a Mont Blanc peak, cracking a case on a desert island with limited stock of food, or lead a startup in Africa. On our view, these four simple steps will uncover additional value for IEDC and generate a long-lasting contribution to creating sustainable value for business and society. Brought by KSE Welfare Team.